blue color, pink color, orange color, green color, yellow color. Hello children, welcome back to my channel. So children, today we will talk about birds. Pigeon, hen. ये कॉमन बर्ड्स हैं. पिजन, hen, स्पैरो, peacock, sparrow, peacock. These are singer birds. Cockatoo, canary, cockatoo, canary. These are water birds. Duck, flamingo, duck, flamingo. ये birds water में रहती हैं. These are raptors. Eagle, buzzard. These are flightless birds. ये birds fly नहीं कर पाती हैं. Ostrich, penguin. This is ostrich, penguin. Other birds. Robin, myna, toucan, turkey. Robin, myna, toucan, turkey. Thank you.